Global headlines about war and inflation might feel far away, but they're already inside your wallet. Every conflict, every price surge, every policy decision ripples down to the money in your pocket and the future of your investments. Let me show you how these global shocks are quietly shaping your financial life and what you can do about it. First, let's talk about war. Whenever conflict breaks out, uncertainty spreads across global markets. Investors rush to safe havens like gold and the US dollar, while riskier assets like emerging market stocks often take a hit. Oil prices usually spike because wars disrupt supply chains. And when oil goes up, everything else, from food to transport, becomes more expensive. That's inflation knocking on your door. Now, inflation. Inflation simply means your money buys less over time. If inflation is at 10%, something that cost 1,000 naira last year now costs 1,100. For investors, inflation erodes returns. A 12% stock market gain sounds great, but if inflation is 10%, your real gain is only 2%. That's why ignoring inflation is dangerous. It silently eats away at your wealth. So how do global events connect to your wallet? Imagine oil prices rise sharply because of war in the Middle East. Transport costs go up, food prices rise, electricity bills increase. Suddenly, your monthly budget feels tighter. If you're not investing, you're falling behind. If you are investing, you need to make sure your returns beat inflation. Here's the key. Global chaos creates both risks and opportunities. Stocks may fall short-term, but strong companies often recover and grow. Real estate can protect against inflation because property values and rents usually rise with prices. Commodities like gold and oil can act as hedges. The smart investor doesn't panic. They position their portfolio to survive uncertainty. Let's talk strategy. In times of war and inflation, diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your money in one asset class. Mix stocks, real estate, and maybe a small portion in commodities. Focus on long-term investments rather than short-term speculation. And most importantly, keep investing consistently. Waiting for the perfect time is the costliest mistake of all. Think about this. If you invested during past crises, the 2008 financial crash, the 2020 pandemic, and held on, you'd be sitting on significant gains today. History shows that markets recover, but only for those who stay invested. War and inflation are temporary storms. Wealth is built by those who keep sailing through them. So what does this mean for you right now? Don't let headlines scare you into inaction. Adjust your strategy, but keep moving forward. Inflation is real, war is real, but so is compounding. The earlier you start, the stronger your financial shield becomes. Your wallet is directly connected to global events. The question is, will you let inflation destroy your wealth, or will you take action to protect and grow it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. How are you adjusting your investments in today's uncertain world? And don't forget to subscribe to Finance with NJ for more insights on building wealth, even in chaotic times. Remember, global events may shake the markets, but smart investors always find a way to win.